Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Moel and today I am here with the topic list in HTML. So list in HTML is very important topic which is used in web development and used to design the web pages. So HTML lists are used to display multiple items related to web pages. Mm, it helps us to display items in an organized way on a web page. So basically there are three types of the list in a HTML. First is order list, second is unordered list, and third is description list. The order list is also known as the numbered list, and second is unordered list, which is also known as the bulleted list, and third is the description list, which is also known as the definition list. So now we will discuss one by one. So the first is ordered list. Ordered list is used when the sequence of the items is important, where we want to give the items in a sequential manner, where the orders really matters. So it is represented using the OL tag. Order list displays items in a specific orders, like numbers 1 to 3. These lists are used when the order matters, for example steps of a process, instruction, ranking, etc. The items inside the order list are represented using the li tag, which stands for the list items. HTML allows us to change the numbering styles using attribute. We can display numbers as normal numbers like 1 to 3, capital letters ABC, small letters ABC, or in Roman numbers. By using type attribute, we can define which type of the and letters or the numbers we want. Also, if you want to start the from it, we don't want to start from one, so we can give there is OL start is equals to 6, or where from where we want to start. Now the second type of the list is on order list, which is also known as the bulleted list. It is represented using the UL tag. It is used when the order doesn't matter. Unordered list displays items in bulleted instead of the numbers, such as D's, circles, and square. These are used when the order doesn't matters. For example, shopping list, features, menu categories, etc. It is also represent inside the OL tag. Inside the OL tag, the items are described like list 1, list 2, and list 3, and inside that items are displayed. Now the third one is description list. Description list is used to define the type of the list, and it is represented using the DL tag. This list is used when we want to show terms and with their definition. It contains two types of tag. First is DT. DT means description term, and second is DD, which is definition description. This type of the list is used for groceries, facts, definition list, or any content where term not to be explained. So description, first we define the DL, and inside it DT is used, and in DT we give the description of the given list. Thank you.